Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of working with Obsidian, the Stone of Severance and Protection. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And we can talk today about how you can incorporate obsidian, specifically black obsidian, into your daily life. Now, I will be doing separate videos on snowflake and mahogany obsidian because they have uniquely different qualities. So today I'm just talking about black obsidian, and I'll also be doing Apache tears later on. So you can have obsidian in this really lovely, nice, rough form, or you can have it tumbled as well. And obsidian is when the hot magma of the earth cools very quickly and it creates this glass, essentially. And it's pretty fragile and it can be very, very sharp. But it can be tumbled, and it tumbles up and polishes really nicely as well. And if you're interested in getting some obsidian to work with it further, then I do have obsidian bracelet and gemstone sets, and I had tumbled obsidian that I tumbled myself available in my online crystal healing store, and I'll link to that in the description box below. And today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of working with obsidian, this gorgeous glass stone. And the first benefit of working with obsidian is that it's an incredibly grounding stone. This stone connects us with the very powerful primal energy of the magma within the earth. It is a stone that brings us into the here and now, right where we are. And that is what is meant by grounding. Grounding is disconnecting ourselves from our worries from the past, our worries about the future, our daydreams, and just coming back to focus right now, right here. That's what it's meant by grounding. So if you find yourself often feeling a little spacey, a little bit out there, daydreaming, unfocused, like hard to find your footing, then sitting with obsidian will help draw you back to your body, to your breath, to your experience in this moment. It's a wonderful stone to use when you're sitting in meditation and you continue to be distracted or drift off somewhere. Then obsidian will help you come back to your body and your breath. It's also very useful at the end of a long day when you just might feel a little tired or distracted, or it's hard to focus. Sitting with obsidian will bring you back to the present moment and help you focus. The second benefit of working with obsidian is that it creates a protective, energetic shield for you. Now, this is something that's the same for all black gemstones, but specifically, obsidian protects you from an exterior attack, whether that be psychic attacks, the ill intentions of others, the negative energy of others, or from spirit attachments. Obsidian forms a protective shield around you so that you aren't affected by all of that negativity and ill intention. And this is wonderful if you do feel like you tend to draw spirits into your home or your workplace. Gridding obsidian around your house, meaning to place it in the corners to basically form a protective shield around your either bedroom or home environment, then that will prevent and deter dark spirits or just spirit attachments from coming into your home. So it's good if you feel like your house is haunted. It's great to have obsidian or black tourmaline with you if you have ghost hunting as a hobby. It's very protective. Obsidian is also wonderful if you live or work in a toxic environment, an environment that's got low morale, there's lots of negativity or gossip. Then obsidian will form a protective barrier around you so that you are not affected by the negativity around you. It doesn't accumulate on your energy and you won't take it home with you. So if you feel like you need that extra psychic and energetic protection, then carrying obsidian with you is very helpful. So the third benefit of obsidian is that it exposes the truth. Now, much like malachite and lapis, this is a stone that takes off the blindfold that you've had on you. It wants you to see the truth. It wants you to see what you might have been hiding from yourself, avoiding or denying, what's repressed within, what you've been holding down, because it wants you to find the root cause of the problem. It wants you to look at it and address it. Now, obsidian is a stone that really wants you to find what's holding you back, cut it out of your life, and so you can move forward. It's a really intense stone for this particular benefit. And you should use it with care if that's your intention, and know that if you do meditate with obsidian, that stuff might rise up for you from seemingly out of the blue, but it's not out of the blue. It's been there within you, and obsidian will not let you ignore it. So if you're in therapy for really sensitive issues, then use obsidian with care. You may want to use Apache tear instead, but this is one that you should use in small doses if you find yourself overwhelmed by stuff rising to the surface. Now, if there's not really anything that you've been hiding from yourself and you're looking for that energetic shield, then you can keep obsidian with you for quite some time. That's not a problem. But, if you do know that there are things that you have been avoiding, then just be careful with obsidian. And then the fourth benefit of obsidian, the Stone of Severance and Protection, is that this is a wonderful tool for cutting ties and attachments. So obsidian is a very sturdy and sharp stone that was used to make knives and axes and arrows. So it was used for protection. This is a very protective stone, and it was also used for cutting. And so it can energetically cut ties or cords or attachments that have been draining your energy and holding you back. So if you know that there's a person or a past scenario or a present situation that you know has an energetic or auric tie to you that is holding you back, draining your energy, then obsidian will help you cut those ties. If you feel like you have a spirit attachment, obsidian will also help cut that. And this is a stone, like I said, that wants you to get to the root of your problems and just cut them, and so that you can heal from it and move forward. So, obsidian, it's an incredibly powerful stone. Like I said, it's very protective. It wants to keep you safe from exterior forces that would cause you harm, from inner issues that are holding you back, and it creates a protective, energetic barrier to protect you as you do all of that. And as I said, use with care. If you find yourself getting overwhelmed, then you may want to put it aside and sit with another soothing stone like howlite for a little bit. Or if you'd like the benefits of obsidian but a little gentler, then use Apache tears. So thank you so much for sitting with me today while I discuss obsidian, the Stone of Severance and Protection. And if you found this useful and think that you might want to work with obsidian some more, then in 2 days I will be posting a guided meditation with obsidian. Now, you don't need a piece of obsidian to benefit from the meditation, but if anything that I've talked about in the video today or in the guided meditation really calls to you, feels familiar, or triggers you, raises red flags, then that's a sign that you should get some obsidian and work with it some more. So if you're new to my channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. And I talk about the supportive and healing benefits of it, and I provide a guided meditation with it every single week. So if you're interested in exploring a wide variety of different gemstones and how they can support you in your everyday life situations, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.